In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF from Notion. If you need to save a Notion page as a PDF for sharing, printing, or keeping an offline copy, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your own workspace. To begin, go to the Notion page you want to export. Make sure you're on the exact page you want to turn into a PDF. Since Notion will export the content currently open on your screen. This is helpful if you're working with notes, reports, meeting documents, or any page you want to send to someone outside of Notion. Once you're on that page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots. This opens the page menu where Notion keeps several page options and settings. If you've never used this menu before, it's the main place to manage actions related to the page you're viewing. From that menu, click on Export. This will open the Export Settings window where you can control how the file is created. This part is important because it gives you a few choices that affect the final result. In the Export Settings, decide on your export format first. Since the goal here is to export a PDF, choose the option that matches that format, then review the additional settings available. You may be able to choose database views, page content preferences, and whether or not to include subpages. If your page contains related pages underneath it, including subpages can be useful when you want a more complete export. You may also see an option to create folders for subpages, which can help keep everything organized if your document structure is larger. Take a moment to check these settings carefully before continuing. The right combination depends on what you need. For example, if you only want the main page, leave subpages out. If you're exporting a more detailed workspace page, including them may make more sense. Once you've made your selections, click Export again to generate the file. Notion will then prepare the export and download it to your computer. After that, you can open the PDF, review the formatting, and share it however you need. That's all it takes to export a PDF from Notion. If you're doing this regularly, it becomes a very quick process, and checking the export settings each time helps make sure your file comes out exactly the way you want.